How to fix storage permission denied error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can fix storage permission denied error. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now let's dive right in. So to fix storage permission denied error, uh, this error is common across different platforms and it usually means that your user account or application that you're trying to use lacks the necessary permission. So what you'll need to do to fix this error is by first locate your settings app and then navigate to your device's main setting. After you're here, locate the app's setting and tap on it. After you're there, you'll need to select the app. So if you don't find your app here, tap on See All Apps and locate the app that is causing you problem. So let's say my Canva is giving me the issue, so I'll just head over there. After you're there, you'll need to access the permissions. So tap on permissions. And after you're there, you'll need to give it its required permission. So look for something like storage or files and medias option. So if you see anything related to files and medias, you'll need to tap on it. So let's say photos and videos. Let me remove that first. So let's say that it's not given permission to. So select files and medias or photos and videos. Then tap on allow always or when you're using the app. After that, your problem should be fixed. And yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.